Minister Narendra Modi coined the AAPDA slogan again ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, the national capital is witnessing an intense poster war. The BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party have launched aggressive poster campaigns against each other, upping their social media game to sway public sentiment ahead of the Assembly elections. The Aam Aadmi Party targeted Amit Shah, calling him punning on the movie Lapata Ladies, calling him Lapata Dule, mocking the BJP's alleged lack of a chief minister's face in Delhi. However, the BJP has countered it with another poster of Kejriwal reiterating AAPDA and claiming to change the AAP government in the national capital. So, Kritika, the fact for while these poster wars, of course, continue and the fun continue and is obviously there over the creativity which the social media teams come out, the fact still remains that the critical problem for the BJP for the past several years in Delhi has always been the lack of an effective chief ministerial face here. Is that something evidently the Aam Aadmi Party looks to counter once again?
Definitely. In fact, from the very beginning, when the Aam Aadmi Party started releasing their list of candidates in phases, since then Aam Aadmi Party has been reiterating how the Delhi BJP does not, how BJP in fact in Delhi does not either have an agenda or a CM phase that they could bat on. There were names earlier also we'd seen how Kiran Bedi was made a prominent chief ministerial candidate from the BJP. The talks of Manoj Tiwari also being a choice for the CM phase had also come in last elections. But definitely this time we're seeing that even the BJP is saying that they are fighting these elections on the issues of the people of Delhi, on in fact the AAPDA, so to say, that they have been facing under the rule of the Aam Aadmi Party, and they're in fact defending their in the stance of not releasing a CM candidate. Now this is something that we've seen BJP do even in the Madhya Pradesh elections, even in Rajasthan elections as well, wherein in different state elections they do not release the name of the CM, and it is in fact the senior BJP leadership that takes over the charge of campaigning. Today also we heard how how BJP MP in fact Sudhanshu Trivedi had said that every day senior leaders will be addressing a press conference and putting out their stance on different issues on which they find that Aam Aadmi Party has been lacking now for the last 10 years. So this is going to be the strategy of the BJP, but definitely this is something that the Aam Aadmi Party has been attacking BJP on for not having a CM candidate, for not having issues, and also for the not being able to control the crime and law and order situation in the national capital. So these are the few things that definitely the social media team of the Aam Aadmi Party also is on a daily basis releasing posters of. Yesterday, when the Prime Minister coined the term AAPDA to refer to Aam Aadmi Party's rule as a disaster in Delhi, we are now seeing that since early morning, posters have come up near the Delhi BJP office of the same. So definitely, a war of words is on, the war of posters is on right ahead of the upcoming elections in the national capital. Over to you.